Okay, here we go, little loves. What do I see here? Well, it was chocolate and it was a heart. Ahoy, matey, it's Chips ahoy! Let's get this opened up. And I see, little Annie loves me some chocolate. What about you, loves? Shall I crack it open? Let's give it a crack. Oh! Oh! Little cream filling. Nice chocolate surprise. We have ooey gooey chocolate surprise. Num num. Okay, loves. We have a little chocolate egg surprise. Hey, little rugger. Little Annie's all about sharing, so I want to share this with you. Here you go. Little rugger, I'm glad you like it. There you go.
Thanks, little Annie.
No problem, rugger. Anytime, because sharing's important. And we all should do it. Okay, little loves, let's get ready. I'm so excited to open our next egg surprise. I can't believe it. I think we're going to try this little Eeyore Zuma. Little Eeyore Zuma. Here we go. It's a blue egg this time. What could it be? Oh, loves, little Annie's excited. Here we go. Let's give it a little Annie love pop in 3, 2, 1. Pop! Oh, adorable. I know what this is, boys and girls. It is Littlest Pet Shop, Pets in the City. And we have one of the twin swans. So cute. So pretty and so adorable. Hi, little swan. Over here. Let's go on to our next egg surprise, little loves. Here we go. I'm going to open up the orange one, open up the orange one, open up the orange one. Here we go, loves. Open up the orange one, open up the orange one, open up the orange one. Here we go. It's a what's up egg. Oh boy. Let's see what's inside. I see not one, but I see 2 putrid pets. Ooh, and I see a little poop. And it's squishy. Ew, yucky poo-poo. I'll put that right over here. I see little putrid pets. I wonder who they are. If you know who these perfectly putrid pets are, Please let me know. Leave a comment below. Oh, little loves, we have a few eggs left. Let's check out little baddie Tsum Tsum. Oh, I see. It's a basketball egg. What could be inside? I can't wait to find out. Little Annie loves basketball. Here we go. Hello, grocery gang. We have a little Shopkins grocery basket, and what's inside? We have a little slop corn popcorn. Slop corn popcorn. Yum. We'll keep it away from that creeper because he's looking over here like he wants that popcorn. No way, creeper. You stay over there. No popcorn for you. Let's go over here. Tigger, here we go. Oh, what do we have here? Are you ready for some football? Are you ready for some football? Ooh. A surprise inside our egg surprise, loves. I've been waiting for this. Transformers. And what's inside? We have Sentinel Prime. Sentinel Prime. Transformer. All right, loves, if you're excited, I am too. It is time for our Winky Surprise. If you're ready, and you know it, subscribe, 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 and give us a big thumbs up because little Annie's ready for the Winky Surprise. Here we go. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I like it. Oh, Winky Surprise. What could it be? Oh boy, I'm so excited! Winky Surprise! Woo! All right, I see a Winky. What could it be? Okay, loves, now's the time for our exciting Little Annie loves. Okay, try it again. Okay, loves, now's the time for Little Annie's Winky Love Surprise. Here we go. Are you excited and just can't hide it? 'Cause we're about to open this egg and we're so excited. Me too! I'm so excited. Let's begin. Give it a little Annie love pop in 3, 2, 1. And we have Superman Pez dispenser. So awesome. I know, Rugger. It sure is. Let's see what's inside. And we have lots of Pez. One for you, Rugger. And okay, loves, that's it for now. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. From Little Annie Loves and me too. We'll see you next episode. Bye, loves. Bye.